Oreo Blizzard. And it's very good. Here, you want some? It's so good. But yeah, this is good. I'll definitely rate that infinity. I'm sorry if I'm not saying it right. Infinity out of 10. Don't judge me because I said it wrong. Don't judge me. Please don't. But yeah, it's very good.
The voltage is normal. Bluetooth disconnect.
But yeah, this is
Bluetooth
good.
connection is successful.
Very good. Mom, say hi to YouTube.
Hi.
She said hi. It's yummy.
Dad, what you get from Wendy's?
Chicken nuggets.
10 piece?
So right now we're going to Wendy's, but that's going to be for my
What kind of drink?
Sprite. This is going to be for my dinner. And yeah, very good. Just gonna order, guys.
What kind of sauce?
Barbecue.
Hi, can I have a number 3 with barbecue sauce and Sprite?
Bluetooth disconnect.
Can I be out for you?
Yep.
770 for strawberries.
Anyways, this is good. This is good. That's the end of this video. That's the end of this video. I'm gonna finish my Oreo Blizzard, and I'll see you in next video. Bye. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. What is